Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
I'm Preeti. Hi, I'm Swara.
Alright, I have Preeti and Swara with me today, but today we are not going to be quizzing. We are going to be gaming.
Gaming?
Yeah, gaming. Alright, so I don't want to play the regular board games that we have at home, so I've made a game for you guys. So let's see what that game is. Here it is. Okay. Alright, so this is a very, very simple game. A kind of a twisted version of a tic-tac-toe. I call it a round tac-toe. Alright, girls? Okay, so Preeti's coins are blue and Swara's coins are green. Alright, so how you can make this? It's very simple. Make a circle in the center, one top, one below, one right, one on the left, and in between each. So there are a total of 9 circles here. Alright. I will be leaving a PDF in the description box in case you just want to download and print it out as well. Alright, girls. So, your coins are going to be here. You can use just any coins. I had these round colored coins which I'm using from my board game of Sequence. So, blue is Preeti and green is Swara. Okay, now you can move either this way, wherever the lines are connecting. Okay, you need to bring your coins in a straight line, either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. The person to do that first.
So it comes straight, lying down, and then goes slant.
Diagonal, exactly, slant, exactly. So it is like a regular tic-tac-toe where if it's like this, or like this, you win. Alright?
Okay.
So we'll play 3 quick games. Okay, so we'll have a best of 3. Whoever wins the maximum wins the game, wins the round.
All the best.
Right? Go. Alright, let's start. Come on, girls. Move, Preeti. Okay, who's going to play first?
Me.
Okay, you're okay with her playing first. Great. Big heart Sarah has. Okay, go. Start. Okay. Yes. Come on. Okay.
I made it.
No, that's not a line. She wins already. Okay, Preeti got the first round. Okay, let's start again. Okay, come on, Swara. It's too simple. You just gave it to her. Go, your turn to start. Okay. Array, yaar, what did you do, Swara? You should have moved this here, you would have won. From here to here, yours was here. No, she gave way to you. Yeah, Swara. Okay, there she's blocked you now. You have only one place to move and she's going to win it. She's blocked you everywhere, Swara. Go, move it. Come on, finish it.
What to do?
See. Oh God, how many times, there was a chance where Swara could have taken this one and gone into the third round. But because Preeti won 2 rounds, there's no point playing the third one. Okay, but I want to play this one. So we know that the winner in this particular game is Preeti. Go Preeti. Yay. Okay,
Good
so
job.
why shouldn't I try one game with Preeti and let's see if I'm able to beat her.
Okay.
Okay, shall we? I want to start. Can I? Okay.
Okay. Come on.
I got this one. I got this one. There's no other way for you, Preeti. You have to move it. Yeah, you have to move that one somewhere. And I win! Yay! Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this game. So you can use any coins. All you need is a sheet of paper, a scale, a pencil, and some coins. That's it. It is that easy to make. So all you have to do is just make the game, play. If you are just bored of the regular board games at home, just make one, play with your friends. It's as easy as just drawing tic-tac-toe. Just draw these circles and have some fun. I'm sure you guys enjoyed playing this game. Did you? Will you go back home and play it with people at home? Yeah?
Maybe.
Why
If I
not?
have-
Because
if
you're
I
going to lose. That's why. Are you scared you'll lose with mom?
No, not at all.
No. Look at mom.
I'm scared that she will lose.
Oh, like that. Okay. So Swara is scared. So the next time Ramya comes on our show, I'm going to ask her if Swara actually played round tacto with her and did she win or not. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed today's game. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our regular quiz games and videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.